All right, so you guys can see the seat on my John Deere is pretty well worn. All of them seem to do this, especially if they're exposed to the elements, particularly sunlight. It just really does a number on the cushion and essentially destroys it like this. I'll show you guys. This is the seat cover, and the benefit of this is even if we do get a new lawn tractor, I'll just use this on the new one. Kind of gives you like a little preview of what it feels like. You guys can pause the video if you want. There's really nothing special here. Makes old seats look new and protects new seats. And it's even a genuine part. So it should fit this one. As I understand, all these John Deere seats are pretty much the same, even though this thing's about 13 or 14 years old. Just for the record, it's got a 2-year warranty, but I'm not seeing where it's manufactured in. It's probably made in China. Installation, cleaning, and care, 2-year warranty, nothing special. There it is, made in China. Not surprised, but let's go ahead and throw this thing on. That's actually not too bad. So you guys can see, it's actually pretty good quality for 27 bucks. And there's the back. You have 2 pockets here to store stuff in, and a zipper pocket, which goes all the way down to about here, it looks like. And you have another pocket here, and probably hold a quart of oil just fine. Yep. So that's that. I think this thing will definitely work for a little while until we decide what we're going to do it. Let's see how this thing feels. Yeah, it's a lot better than it was. That plastic crap on the seat's not poking me in the sides anymore, so that's nice. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. This is definitely going to get us through at least a little bit longer. And in all honesty, I should have bought one of these, a few years ago when I got this thing, but I knew I was going to have to replace this seat anyways, at the end of the day. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more. You all stay classy.